They said it couldn't be done. But Flink's drop and lock system is going to change the way you see flooring forever. That's right, a solid oak floor that can be floated. Specially engineered for extreme stability, Flink is constructed from 3 layers of solid oak. The grain from each layer runs in the opposite direction to the layer above, making it incredibly strong. This allows for a glueless locking joint, rather than the typical tongue and groove joint of other solid wood floorings. Meaning no glue, no nails, no mess, and much faster installation. So, just how simple is installing such a beautiful floor? First, lay a Woodpecker damp-proof membrane over your subfloor, followed by a layer of Woodpecker floormate underlay. Remember to give your flooring 5 days to acclimatize. Before dropping and locking your beautiful new floor into place. What could be easier? For professional fitters, creating great results really is straightforward. And it's available in 4 fantastic colours, including natural, dark oak, cognac and whitened. You'll also be pleased to hear that keeping your new floor looking beautiful is simple. Because when looked after properly, Woodpecker flooring will keep looking great for many years to come. In fact, it comes with a 25-year warranty. As you can see, our new drop and lock flooring really does turn a house into a home, in no time at all, and with minimum fuss or mess. Woodpecker, affordable quality flooring.